So welcome to this Season Day Scholar, Season 3. And for me, this is one of the, the most close to heart episode because I never thought Yamamoto Sensei will agree to this. So I am so much grateful for you to take part, to take some time out for this podcast, which is made for younger generation and also mid-career, mid-level, and also everybody can learn something out of this conversation. So there is no time bound. We can take the relaxing and all those things. If the time allotted today will finish, we will complete it another day. But anyway, we will go like that. So welcome, Sensei.
Thank you very much for your invitation. Thank you. Yes.
So you said that the biggest challenge as an administrator is how to evaluate the productivity of faculty, how to do recruitment, how to implement new program. And also you had some views on how to garner alumni and like that. So can you just summarize that vision for us?
You summarized already.
And you also said that the alumni should not be obligated, but it should be they should be encouraged to be part of some new program.
Right. This is achievement. Yeah, right. It's really good point. So AIT alumni is really want to be involved in AIT activities. This is very, very good point. Yes.
And as a AIT, I saw that a lot of Tokyo University faculty at one point of their career must contribute to AIT. But it is not, is it the same for contribution from other countries?
No, I think, but already we stopped this kind of collaboration with AIT, but AIT is the most, if you're talking about this kind of the introduction or exchange or something like that, AIT is the most, yes.
So let's suppose if you are asked to go to another university in any place, maybe in India or maybe in Indonesia, and as a president, how would you start your work? On the first day, what are the things you will do and how you will try to improve the system? So I want to just get into
I can't
your
answer,
brain.
right? It depends on very, very really specific situation, right?
Yeah, no, but one thing is that what I realized in my life that first go and assess the things. Try to understand that who has which equation, who is what, because you cannot go by just position or just by this one. Understanding the system itself needs to be given certain time. And then within the system, how you identify, oh, this needs to be improved, or this we don't need to touch. Because many administrators, they do is that they go and they close some program, they start new program. And that I am not very good fan of.
Right. I understand that. Okay, this is my experience of here. When I joined the AIT this time, the last September, then because I'm auditor of the IDEA consultant company, I have almost 5 years experience of the independent auditor.
Wow.
Then actually, I audited AIT 1 month. I declared, I learned AIT, then please give me a time 1 month to the faculty and staff. Then I said I would make a presentation, transparent manner of the situation of AIT to you, something like that. Then I did it. Then after that, I did completed audit budget making program, making issues, budget, and then blah, 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 other things. And I started the smart administration. I started the botanical garden campus to net zero concept, something like that. But the first 1 month, I learned what happens at IIT.
And through auditing, nothing can be more precise than doing the auditing kind of thing.
Yes. I audited. Oh, because I audit. Actually, I audit the IIT.
Yeah. How to keep a good research network? Is it necessary?
I think I don't necessarily, but I think useful.
Useful.
But I don't think it necessary, but it's useful, yes.
How to manage a lab?
Lab. Laboratory, of course. Get fund, of course.
This is really nice answer. And how do you handle the conflict among your lab members?
Oh, so probably say no. So probably I think this kind of conflict is really some stress happens and then conflict happens, but time can solve.
Time can solve. Give them time.
Then give them time and then wait.
Yeah. No need to react very fast.
Yeah. Right.
Good. I will. Yeah, this is a lesson for now. What is your advice to someone who is deciding whether they should do PhD or not do PhD?
You decide.
No. What? How?
No. How means something like so. But my only advice is if you like to do that. So because I always said, what do you want to do? If you come to the PhD, but if you have if you curious to do this, you can come to PhD, and then of course there's some examination, of course, something like that. But in other words, don't consider too much your career development.
Yeah. Don't worry about things. Otherwise, they will be not able to concentrate and they cannot enjoy the research. Right.
So I understand the current issues, of course. Then there are many. I think the number of students decreased to come in a PhD because the future instability of the job opportunities, of course. And then also this, anyhow, the position, PhD postdoc position is very, very unstable. Then many of them don't like to be in very much stressful environment. I understand very much, but this is a system problem, system design problem or something like I think government also need to consider this issue, of course, and then this is something the big issue anyhow. But in the personal, if you here, because you are lucky or unlucky, you can't choose your time anyhow. You are here currently, so probably situation is. You can't solve this situation anyhow. But that's why I don't worry about too much.